Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be opening up a box of 2022 Topps Garbage Pail Kids Sapphire Edition. This is from the original Series 5, released back in 1986. This has been so what we're doing is we're doing a challenge, trying to get a one of one, or actually, well, yeah, a one of one, a pad. This has been a very strange case so far. So, first off, 10 boxes to a case. This is box number 8 out of there. So we've opened up 7 boxes. First, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 8 packs, which we've had every box. 8 packs. Every single pack has had 4 cards. However, there's supposed to be 2 parallels inside each box. We have now had 3 out of 7. Almost half of the boxes have only had 1 hit. Now, we have had 2 3-hit boxes. But boy, imagine buying a box out of a case and getting 1 hit. That would just be terrible. As at least if you get the case, it seems like I'm getting the 3-hit boxes more because I got the 1-hit boxes. Not sure how that's going to work out at the end, but again, we have 3 1-hit boxes, 2 3-hit boxes, and 2 2-hit boxes. So, boy, the spread out of these parallels hasn't been great. Let's just say that. Anyway, let's get into it. Pack number 2 here in this box. So far, no hits. Again, this is box number 8. And this will put us halfway through this box. This is our 4th pack. Good old Zeke Freak. Alright, so halfway through box number 8. No hits so far. Looks like we might be getting our first hit of the box. We are. A Silver Toothy Ruthie, numbered 70 out of 125. Alright, so at least we picked up 1. There's the rest of that pack. See if we can get another hit here. Oh, look at that. Oh, and look at it. It's a 75 out of 75. Sprayed Wade. Bookend there. 75 of 75. That fuchsia didn't trick me. I felt fuchsia the whole way there. So we got our second hit of the box. Let's see. Looks like we got our third hit, and it looks like it's a yellow. It is not a yellow. It is a gold. Welded Fred, number 3 out of 15. Very nice. Very nice gold hit. That is, so far, that is the hit of the case. We have not had a better hit than that. 3 out of 15. Gold. Welded Fred, number 216A. Very nice. 3-hit box. We really needed that. We were down 1 hit. Now, that brings us back even. We have the right amount of hits now per box. All is well. And we got a nice gold hit. Welded Fred, number 3 of 15. Very nice. We also have a Silver Toothy Ruthie, number 70 out of 125. And real cool hit here, Sprayed Wade, number 75 out of 75. Real nice hits. Okay, so with those 3 hits, now through box 8, we now have 16 hits. So we have exactly, on average, 2 hits per box. All is well. We still have 2 more boxes to mess that up. Tune in soon for that was not box number 8. Tune in soon for box number 9. Thanks for watching.